Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the reverse method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. So let's see what the reverse method does. Well, as you guessed it, it does exactly as the title says. It reverses the order of the elements in the array. If you take for our example of arrays of fruits by creating a variable with the const fruits and passing here a couple of fruits, say banana, orange, apple, and mango. Now we can reverse the array by applying the reverse method to it, and we could just create here another const, for example, of reverse fruits. Let's call it reverse array. Reverse array, and we're going to take the fruits array and just apply the reverse method to it. Okay, now if I would console log what reverse, that's much better. So console log our reverse array should reverse the order of the elements from the fruits array. As you can see, mango was at the end, and now the array begins with mango, apple, orange, and banana. Now let's take a look at the more complex example, and you should note that this method changes the original array, so keep that in mind when you're applying it. So now let's apply the reverse method to our users array from our previous video. So I'm going to just copy this in. We are going to have a const with the name of users, which is going to be an array containing objects of users with name, age, and income. And we also created from this original array separate arrays for names, ages, and incomes. So by using the map method. So I'm going to type in the first. So let me just copy them in. So this is basically exactly as we did in the previous video. We have our get user names from this original user method, from this original users array by using the map method, and which returns a user name, a user age, and of course a user income. Now let's reverse. Let me also console log get usernames, for example. You can see that usernames are Arabella, Norbert, Karina, and Laura. Then let me do a couple of console logs for the user ages, users ages, and also user incomes. Now let's start reversing them. I'm going to create up here another const. So I'm going to create up here, first of all, another const. I'm going to create up here another const, which we're going to call reverse, which we're going to call reverse array. This is going to take in we're going to assign it to an arrow function, which is going to take in a test array, and it's going to return a console log of test array dot reverse. Okay, so underneath of each console log, I'm going to now call upon the reverse array method, and let's pass in here the get users array. As you can see, the users are, let me actually comment this this reverse array from here. As you can see, the users are now reversed. Now we can do the same thing for our ages. Now all of the ages are reversed, and of course for the income. and we just reversed our income. Now we could also apply to this the sort method that we did in our previous video. So dot sort, we can accumulate method, which will also sort them in a descending or ascending direction. Okay, so hope you understand the reverse method, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.